Today I'm flying to Air Saudi. Where am I going?
Back to my seat. Welcome to the Millennium Downtown. 5 stars over Abu Dhabi. Check in for David.
David,
Yes.
can I give a passport?
So much. Great welcome.
If you need any help with the baggage, just let me send someone.
Oh yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that very much. Very refreshing. Let's get to the 15th floor. 1501. And I must share a room number. Badge with 1502. Ooh, that's nice. Everything's already lit up for me. That is a good sign of service. Let's walk across the room and check out the view. Have I got a nice view? Well, yeah, I would say so. Here around the room, chairs, nightstand, desk, mirror, coffee, TV, footstool. Put all my shoes in here. What's in here? Refrigerator? I can put some of the water in there. And, ooh, that's a little beat up. What happened there? But, look at that bed. Yeah. Nice, big bed. Closet space? Enough. Safe. And shoehorn. Ooh, ironing board. Bathroom. Look at that. La pièce de résistance in the Millennium Hotel downtown Abu Dhabi. Hotel? Or is it just Millennium Downtown? I think it's Millennium Downtown. Anyway, that will be getting used. Some nice soaps. Ooh, maybe I should. Yeah, I'm gonna go find some bubble bath. And then I'll use that very powerful looking hair dryer. Putting the LG to the test, huh? Woo! Is that the best placement for the coffee setup? I don't know. It might be winter, but it's hot outside this afternoon, so let's go hit that air-conditioned gym and then go take a dip. Where do I find the gym?
Yeah, that's the gym.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and this is the spa reception. You can have
Ooh.
a room.
What do you have in the spa?
Yeah, we have sauna.
Can I do steam on the rocks?
We don't have steam, but we have only sauna.
Just hot sauna, no steam.
just hot
Okay,
sauna.
okay, that's okay.
And the spa, we have different kind of massage.
Oh, my key stopped working, so I have to go get it rekeyed. Elevator lottery, which one will it be? The front one is the good one. The back one, I have to take the stairs. Which one's coming? Left one? Or the right one? Oh, I've got to take the stairs. Here we go. Oh, God. Here we go. Salam. Wait. Excuse me. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Can't run too fast. The stairs are slippery now. But good God. Everything's getting cleaned so well. Really good. Ooh. I see. There are some mystery drippings in the stairs. What happened last night? Because there's ground floor and then there's lobby floor. Oh my. This is different. This is how to get into the lobby. Ah.
Actually, another side is you can go to lobby. This is staff entrance.
I make my room complicated, huh?
This is staff
Hello.
entrance.
Wait. What did I do? Ah, so this is the emergency exit.
No, I want to say this.
Ah,
If you open, alarm will activate and security they will
yeah.
arrest you.
I won't do that. Arrest me?
Yeah. Not
Arrest me.
This is no.
Thank you so much. What was your name?
Nasruddin.
Nasradi. A pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much. Pleasure. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Back inside. I gotta rekey my room. Rekey. I broke my key.
Yeah.
Thank you. Back inside. Oh, here we go again. Elevator lottery game. Which one will it be? So, I put this next to my camera bag, which is full of lots of magnets. What does that do to my SD cards? But anyway, it erased this, so I had to go get it rekeyed. All good to go. And now we can go to the pool. But first I have to find my sunglasses, because it is bright up there. Let's go. I've got my sunglasses ready to play. This one, fun. That one, stairs. It opened up. Looks like stairs it is. 17. Now it's 18. 19. 20. 20 point. 1.5. To the gas tank. No. Where'd your nut? I mixed them up. Huh. Now I've got them all to myself. God, there's nothing like striped pool towels. Push. Been to the gym, had my swim, cold ginger ale, and a Caesar salad. Ooh, because I've got more swimming to do. I don't want to eat anything too heavy. Plus, I might need to save room for delicious things I find later on today. It's just a salad. They gave me some quail eggs. It's like the toast from the buffet this morning. Yup. There's beef bacon in here too. I don't know if I've had beef bacon. I've had some bad turkey bacon. The best part? Some microgreens. It's pretty quiet up here for a Sunday afternoon, gotta say. There is a lot of dressing on that salad. The temperature outside now is just about perfect. I think it's time to go explore the city a little bit. I have something I want to show you. So I think I'll do a little bit more swimming. I'll take you to go find what I think will be a very good afternoon and evening in Abu Dhabi. Nice to meet you. Beautiful sunset. Lovely people.
Like this?
Yeah.
Ah,
There it goes.
it's good. Good pool, good sunset, good people.
Yeah. Nice. I have to ask for my bill.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yes, please. That was good. Thank you for having me. Nice meeting you.
It was.
All right. Good.
You will get nice sunset.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sunset. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Yeah,
I appreciate your
Yeah.
your hospitality.